Tired of the same old chicken dinners? Let's jazz things up with a curry chicken that's packed with flavor and super easy to whip up. Here's what you'll need. Chicken thighs cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 onion chopped, 2 cloves of garlic minced, 1 can of coconut milk, 2 tablespoons of curry paste, 2 potatoes diced, 2 carrots sliced, salt and pepper to taste, cooked rice for serving. Start by sautéing those chicken thighs in a hot pan with the onion and garlic until they were beautifully golden brown. Now for the magic, pour in that rich coconut milk and a generous spoonful of curry paste. Give it a good stir and let it simmer. Your kitchen is about to smell absolutely amazing. Next, toss in the potatoes and carrots. Let them get nice and tender while the sauce thickens into a creamy, dreamy consistency. That's it. Serve it over a bed of fluffy rice, and you've got yourself a 5-star meal right at home. If you loved this quick and tasty recipe, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more delicious ideas. Thanks for watching.